I've seen film called Tal. I'm very happy. And person who has not seen Tal, please come to Bombay with me. इसको बॉम्बे जाके दिखाएंगे. अब पता लगा 4 हाथ उठ गए. थैंक यू. हाँ जी. तो आप क्या शुरू कर रहे हैं पहले? ट्रेलर.
Shall we begin?
Just to remind you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to have you all with us at this press conference as we celebrate 25 years of Tal with the legends behind this iconic film. It is my privilege to welcome our eminent panelists, who of course need no introduction. We have with us veteran filmmaker Subhash Ghaiji, the director of Tal, who is also the co-writer, editor, and producer of the film. We also have with us the musical icon, Kavita Krishnamurthy ji, one of India's most distinguished playback singers. We also have noted actor Jividha Sharma, who essayed the role of Ilavati Shankar or Ila in Tal. Before we proceed further, may I remind all in the audience to keep their mobile phones switched off or on silent mode so that there are no interruptions in our discussion today, and that all proceedings here today are being live streamed on the PIB India YouTube channel so that film lovers across the country and our friends in the media have access to the proceedings remotely. Released in August 1999, Subhash Ghaiji's musical romance drama Tal recently completed 25 years of its premiere. The film was re-released in theaters on 27 September, allowing audiences to relive the magic of Tal on the big screen once again. True to its name, the essence of Tal is perhaps the memorable soundtrack created by lyricist Anand Bakshi and composer A.R. Rahman. Kavita Krishnamurthy, Alka Yagnik, Sukhwinder Singh, Sonu Nigam, Hariharan, and Udit Narayan were among the illustrious singers to lend their voice to the songs of this musical extravaganza. The film was widely appreciated for the performance of its ensemble cast, led by Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Akshay Khanna, and Anil Kapoor, with Amrish Puri and Alok Nath in supporting roles. Tal remains a journey in magic, memories, and nostalgia even today. There was a pause between the dialogues while we played the trailer, and I think even now you could hear a pin drop in the hall. In celebration of 25 years of Tal, there was a special screening of the film earlier today at the prestigious McInnes Theatre. And before we request our eminent panelists to deliver their opening remarks, let us have a brief visual where some other legends behind the film who are not here in the hall with us today have shared their thoughts on this momentous milestone. Such a pleasure for all of us here to be part of this milestone. Sir, would you please share your thoughts on this occasion with our friends today?
You see, you have seen it all. I have seen it all. Tal. First, I would like to know your mind. What aspect of this film you would like to know? मैं कुछ बोलता जाऊं और आपने बोला मैंने बहुत पढ़ा भाई ये तो already there था. So you will get nothing. You see. So something which I would ask you, would you like to know about the aesthetic of the film, or would you like to know about the yesterday film and today film, or would you like to know all about this film? Aesthetic of the film. That's a good question. इनका चेहरा कुछ अलग कह रहा था. क्या है? All about them.
Sir, if I may add, so that we can have the remarks together. At, I think, the press conference for the launch of the music of Tal, you had said that you credit composer A.R. Rahman for the name of the movie. And you went on to say Tal means music and music means Tal. So on this occasion, what is your reflection, if we could add that?
When I went to Rahman and I thought of this movie, that let me make this musical movie, because I have been making Kalnayak, Karma, all action films. But this time I wanted to make a very simple story, but with the narrative of music narration. So I went to him and I said, Rahman, I want to make film Tal. Title is Tal, and it means you are the hero of the film. And I'm the director. So this film belongs to two people. So, and I narrated him a story. And then how I narrated him a story is that there are 7 kind of beats in the film. One is picture से start होती है, फिर डुग्गी से होती है, फिर ढोलक से होती है, फिर तबले से होती है, फिर ड्रम से होती है, फिर octopad, and in the climax is a timpani. So there are 7 kind of sound of rhythm. I told my costume designer there are 7 stages of the costumes. I told my makeup man that Ashura has to go for the 7 different phases. So this film was a design aesthetically, all 7 steps, 7 chapters of the film of a girl's journey. Girls coming from the divine energies, going into the cosmetic world, becoming a Miss World kind of a thing, Miss Cosmetic. It was a huge journey for me. And the difference between the purity of the love, who believes himself Akshay Khanna, and Anil Kapoor, a man of today, a businessman and a cosmetic man. So there are 2 personalities, and the girl is confused where to go and where not to go without. So the story-wise also, the screenplay-wise also, even the choreography, even the dances, even the instrumental use, we are very careful. I spent 70 nights with Rahman Saab to compose the 6 songs, and I spent 35 days to mix the sound of the whole film over there. There was a lot of hard work, but only thing I was wondering when I was watching today also the film in the big screen, and after I saw the film after 20 years, I must say that on the big screen, I was realizing one thing, that all these aesthetics, the beauty of the frames, compositions, acting, costumes, music were amalgamating with each other, complementing each other. But I said, why yesterday? Why not today? There I realized one thing, that there was no pressure on me how to make a film.
Yes.
There was no pressure on me of the studios people, the figures कि इतने करोड़ करना ही चाहिए, इतना लाख करना ही चाहिए. There was no pressure of the budget and the cost of the film. I want to make the film, and let me make the film. And I sincerely made the film, and all my distributors that time, they were with me. Yes, Mr. Ghai, you make the film. That's it. Tell us. And I was never dishonest with the money part of it with them. They all made money. And tips people had paid me the maximum price of this music without listening one song. So they depended on a filmmaker, and filmmaker was conscious that I have to see that I have to return their money. But today there is a pressure of auditors. They send auditors on your head. How a director can make a film with the auditor on the set? Tell me honestly. That is the difference between yesterday and then. The moment the stock exchange has taken over the cinema, the costume, the studios have come in without understanding the aesthetic of the films. That is why you can see the picture are more of a plastic type of films. That's why, because nobody is involved in them. Kavita ji came at 11:30, 12 o'clock, and she sang for up to 3 o'clock in Rahman studio. जो क्लाइमेक्स का गाना है ना, इश्क बिना क्या जीना, जो एंड का सॉन्ग है, और she sang at least 25 times in the same line. एंड रहमान ने से लगा, अच्छा आप गाते जाइए, मैंने बटन दबा दिया है. अब ये बेचारी गाए रही है 1 घंटे तक, मैं भी देख रहा हूँ ये हो क्या रहा है. उन्होंने आंखें बंद कर ली. मैंने बोला, सो तो नहीं गई गाते गाते कभी. She was continuously going and searching for the excellence in the voice, in performance. और फिर उसमें से एक टुकड़ा जो है रहमान ने अपने गाने में रखा. तो दिस वाज अ डेडिकेशन. अभी तो 2 लाइन गाई है गाने की, तो 4 लाइन हो गई, जाइए भैया 2-4 गाने, जाओ जाओ भैया. वो डेडिकेशन भी इसीलिए आती है इस वक्त जो स्टूडियोज हैं, जो प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, वो इनकरेज करते हैं, यू मेक द फिल्म, आई एम विद यू. ऐसा होना चाहिए. अभी यू मेक द फिल्म अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. So that is the main difference between filmmaking yesterday and today. Even I want to make film today. I would like to make a film. लेकिन क्वेश्चन है क्या, विल से सुभाष के 50 लाख रुपए में पिक्चर बना दो ना, क्योंकि ये टंटा कौन लेगा इनके साथ. 200 करोड़ की, 50 करोड़ की, 30 करोड़ की फिल्म मैं कैसे बनाऊंगा. जब स्टार ही मेरे से 25 करोड़ 50 करोड़ रुपए मांगेगा तो मैं 50 करोड़ की तरफ मेरा ज्यादा ध्यान रहेगा, सीन की तरफ कम रहेगा। Am I right, wrong? तो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू शेयर विद ईच अदर। मेरा ध्यान पूरा 50 करोड़ पे एक्टर ले जा रहा है, वो आया ऐसे। अरे भाई तुम जो, वी आर ऑल द पार्ट, वी आर ऑल कोलैबोरेटर, टेक्नीशियंस, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, लिरिक्स राइटर, पोएट, डायलॉग राइटर, राइटर, सिंगर, एवरीबॉडी इज देयर। इतनी डिस्पैरिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए, दैट्स व्हाट आई फील। सो वो मैं अपनी कथा सुना रहा हूँ आपको, गाथा और कथा। अब आप सवाल, आपके जवाब मेरे। जी
सुरेश शर्मा, डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर और पत्रकार। सुभाष जी, मैं ये क्लासिक फिल्म जो ताल है उसका 25वां हम इस साल मना रहे हैं और वह ग्रेट फिल्म है, लेकिन इसके साथ एक सूचना ये देना चाहता हूँ खबर की तरह कि अगला वर्ष भी आपका ही है, क्योंकि आप जनवरी में 80 साल के हो जाएंगे। और हम जिस तरह अभी 25वां मना रहे,
सीक्रेट बताने की क्या जरूरत है? क्योंकि अभी तक मैं 55 बता रहा था।
क्योंकि मुझे इसमें एक सवाल है इसमें कि अब ये 25वां, तो आप जो 80वां जो अगला साल जो इफ़ी होगा वो हम लोग 80वां आपका मनाएंगे। और वो उसमें कहना ये चाहता हूँ कि आपकी जो लाइफ है दिल्ली, रोहतक, मुंबई, पुणे, इसमें फैला हुआ है और इसमें एक सिनेमा को नई धारा देने की कोशिश है। तो क्या आपका आप पर एक लाइफोग्राफी को केंद्रित करके डॉक्यूमेंट्री कोई बनाना चाहे तो आप पसंद करेंगे?
So before we come to the questions,
बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि वो सारा झूठ होगा। मेरी तारीफ होगी?
नहीं होगी। तो
देखिए, आज बुक रिलीज हो रही है, कर्मा स्टाइल ऑन सुभाष घाई। शाम को 7:30 बजे आप आइए जरूर। मैं पर बुक रिलीज कर रहा हूँ, उस बुक के बारे में बताऊंगा।
ठीक है।
उसमें अबाउट 18 फिल्म्स के बारे में, द प्रोसेस, द वे आई वेंट थ्रू, द स्ट्रगल्स एंड ऑब्स्टिकल्स। प्लीज डू कम and join, then you listen to me. Next.
Before we come to further questions, may I request Kavita Krishnamurthy ji to share her experience of working in this film, because ma'am's songs have been essential to our experience of Taal as a whole. Please, ma'am, over to you.
First, let me tell you that I'm exceedingly grateful to Subhash ji that from Meri Jang onwards, he picked up a singer who was no name at all in the industry and was only dubbing songs for Lata ji in the Lakshmikant Pyarlal camp. He had faith in my music, and from that time I've been singing for his film, so it's always been a great honor, sir, to sing for you. और रही ताल की बात, आप ताल में देखिए सारे गानों की वॉइस प्रोडक्शन बहुत अलग है। और हाँ, अच्छा, तो मेरा जो क्लाइमैक्स का जो गाना था, अब जिस तरह से सुभाष जी ने मुझे एक्सप्लेन किया रहमान साहब के स्टूडियो में और रात को रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही थी, मुझे बस एक बात पता था कि ये गाना और एक वर्जन भी है, लेकिन ये लास्ट सॉन्ग है और वो थोड़ा ऑपरेटिक स्टाइल है और ये इंटरनेशनल म्यूजिक कंपटीशन है। यहाँ पे कोई भी सॉफ्ट सिंगिंग नहीं चलेगी, वो पूरा एक ओपन सिंगिंग चाहिए, वो हाई नोटी हो, लो नोटी हो, एक ओपन सिंगिंग। एक सिंगर इंटरनेशनल ऑडियंस के लिए गा रही है और उसको फर्स्ट प्राइज विन करना है। तो जैसे हम देखते हैं कि सब एकदम लाउड, वेस्टर्न में भी लाउड गाते हैं, एकदम पावरफुल सिंगिंग होती है। तो वो कोशिश करके रात को 11 बजे गाना मेरे लिए काफ़ी, इट वॉज अ बिग टास्क। पर मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ ईश्वर से कि मैं कुछ गा सकी और इन लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट किया वो गाना। और मेरे लिए मेरे करियर में इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सॉन्ग्स आई हैव संग, क्योंकि उस गाने में रूदारी की तो बात है, लेकिन उसमें टेक्निकली भी इट्स नॉट अ वेरी इजी सॉन्ग टू सिंग। तो मैं बहुत कुछ इस गाने से मैं सीखी और आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल। जिस तरह से इसकी पिक्चराइजेशन हुई है, मेरे लिए तो उस गाने में 4 चांद लग गया है। थैंक यू।
I now request Jividha ji to share her experience of working with the ensemble cast and under Subhash Ghai ji's direction, and your thoughts on the status that the film has acquired today.
नमस्कार सबको मेरा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग अस। सबसे पहले तो मैं मेरा एक छोटा सा एक्सपीरियंस बताना चाहूँगी इस फिल्म का, कि मैं बॉम्बे आई थी एक सपना लेके अपनी मॉम के साथ, और वो सपना ऐसे पूरा होगा वो मुझे पता नहीं था. It was genuinely a dream come true for me. I was working with a legend and with all the legends in the film. आप म्यूजिक से लीजिए, बाकी एक्टर्स लीजिए, या anyone, DOP, lyricist. It's a whole kind of institution for me to learn the craft, and I have learned from the best. Yes. So, so yes, it was a perfect beginning for me. और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस डेफिनेटली आप सोच सकते हैं कैसा रहा होगा जब बिगनिंग ऐसी आपको मिले, जब व्हेन यू आर स्टेपिंग इनटू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ बॉलीवुड, एंड देन it's like a star. You feel like a star, and I was treated like a princess on the set. Because I was the youngest on the set and I was princess. So thanks to Subhashi.
And also Subhashi is one of the most gracious person in the industry.
Yes. मतलब एक अननोन पर्सन जो दिल्ली से आई है, जिसका कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं है एक्टिंग से, उसको ये प्लेटफॉर्म देना, just believing in her also, believing in my capability, I'm honored. I'm so thankful. I'm honored. Thank you. For this film, Tal, very rightly said from Anil ji or Saurabh ji, कि this film is relevant for today. ये कहानी, ये फिल्म ही ऐसी है जो आज भी रेलेवेंट है, वो कभी भी नहीं जा सकती है. इट्स ऑलवेज देयर. इट्स अ मैजिक ऑफ सिनेमा. इट्स अ होल अमैल्गमेशन ऑफ ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ इमोशंस, ऑल काइंड ऑफ आर्टिस्ट, म्यूजिक, एवरीथिंग. सो ये तो कभी, जब तक कहते हैं ना, जब तक जीवन है तब तक संघर्ष है, तो जब तक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है तब तक ताल है, तब तक ये सुभाषी है. It's like, so I must say that it's a relevant, it's a magic, it's a celebration of love, celebration of emotions. It's everything. It's a whole lot of I would not say as a classic. It's not a classic. ये हमेशा जिंदा रहेगी. So for me, I'm fortunate enough कि मुझे ये मौका मिला इस फिल्म का पार्ट होने के लिए भी, बेशक जैसा भी. But I'm so fortunate enough. Even sitting here also, I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, Subhaji, for giving me
Thank you,
the
Jivida ji.
And Kavita ji ke liye bhi. I have been her fan. I have been her fan since years, because obviously वो उनके जैसा कोई है नहीं दूसरा आपके जैसा. And I am so honored that I am right now sitting with these two legends right now. तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. I'm so thankful. Thank you.
Due to a paucity of time, we regret to inform our friends that we will not be able to take questions further.
Yes.
And we come to the end of the press conference today. It has been an absolute privilege to have all of you with us today. And we look forward to watching the film again and to refresh our memories and the emotions, the journey in emotions that have remained attached to this film over the past 25 years.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you so much.